G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you something very simple, and this is great for kids to join in as well. Now these are called chocolate crackles, so let's get straight into them. Get a large mixing bowl and put in 4 cups of rice bubbles. In America, I think they're called rice crackles. Then put in 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Now, if you're not a fan of coconut, you can just leave that part out. Now put in 1 cup of icing sugar. Then add 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now it can be an actual tablespoon measurement or just a big tablespoon, it doesn't really matter. Just depends on how chocolatey you want it. Now just mix all that in. Now get a saucepan, turn the heat on to medium and throw in 250 grams of vegetable shortening. Now the brand in Australia that I use is called Kofa. Over in the US, I think it's called Crisco, and there's a different brand over in Europe. So basically, it's just vegetable shortening. If you can't find any, you can use lard if you're desperate. Alright, that vegetable shortening has melted. Now just put it aside and leave it for about 10 minutes just to cool slightly. Now get the vegetable shortening and just pour it straight in there over the top, and then just mix it in. Just keep mixing. Yum. Oh, this smells so good. Oh. Next, get a cupcake tray if you've got one. Get little things like this. I like to use really little ones. You can get bigger ones, of course, but I'm happy with just using little ones. And just pour them into each one, however much you want. Now just put these in the fridge until they set, and that should only take about 20 to 30 minutes. And then we'll get into the eating. So much eating. Alright, they've been in the fridge for about 30 minutes and they're, see? Nicely set. Yum! Well, I hope you really like these chocolate crackles. Oh, so yummy. Just peel it off, and you should have a nice little base of chocolate as well. Oh, so, just time to eat. Oh, I'll see you next time for my next meal.